Thank you for watching our video. Please give us a big like, subscribe to our channel for new videos every day with amazing cars. Leave us your opinion in the comment section on the video. Thank you. Residents of a neighborhood in the Indian city of Hyderabad took it upon themselves to repair a road and name it after Ivanka Trump in an attempt to mock local authorities who have disregarded road restoration responsibilities. According to a report by the Times of India, locals of Marredpally, which Trump visited in November last year, flattened potholes on a 200-meter stretch of tarmac beside a junior college located in an area that falls under the jurisdiction of the Greater Hyderabad Municipal Corporation, GHMC. The locals then took the liberty to rechristen the road to call out Kalvakuntla Taraka Rama Rao, the administration minister of GHMC, which spent approximately $10.5 million USD repairing and beautifying roads that Trump passed through but failed to tend to broken roads elsewhere. The photo which Toy shared has a local holding up a sign that reads, "This road is named as KTR-Ivanka Trump Road." Neither Ivanka Trump came to this road nor did the government repair this road. Chris Shank, an activist with the Save Bison Polo Ground campaign that took up the repair work, told the newspaper, "We spent 4,000 rupees on concrete mix, granite stones, and water. We contributed the amount from our own pockets." While a Marredpally resident S.B. Prabhakar stated, "As our pleas have fallen on the deaf ears of the authorities to repair the potholes, we wanted to teach the authorities a lesson." Many of the commuters of the newly revamped road stopped their vehicles to appreciate the initiative by local youth, some even snapped a few pics. GHMC executive engineer for Begumpet Circle, A. Suresh, reacted conclusively to the move. GHMC has invited tenders to take up various road repair work in Secunderabad and this stretch is one among them. In 2 weeks, tenders will be finalized and works will be taken up. He also added that by the first week of June, all work will be completed. Thank you for watching our video. Please give us a big like, subscribe to our channel for new videos every day with amazing cars. Leave us your opinion in the comment section on the video. Thank you.